Hey guys, welcome back to Meg Gaming, and today I want to try something a little different. Let's go to solo. It's been a while since I've played. It's been a while since I played this, so not played this. Done a video. That's what I meant to say. I'm crank this up to 9 real quick. Sorry. 9, 9, and 9. So basically today, on this, I'm gonna do a match between Game Grumps and Steam Train. And we're gonna go ahead and pick. Okay. Aren. Alright. Danny. Oh yeah, for Game Grumps it's gonna be Aren and Danny. And for Steam Train it's gonna be Barry and Ross. Barry. Why Barry for Steam Train? Cause Danny's in Danny's in Game Grumps and Steam Train. Alright, let's go ahead and make this team match. Red versus blue sounds good enough to me. Change this computer. There we go. Start battle. And where I usually let them battle at is here. We're gonna do this one, and I'm gonna commentate on this, I guess. Game Grumps versus Steam Train. Game Grumps versus Steam Train. Sorry. See what's going on here. Nothing yet. I made both Danny and Aren to both be fighters, made Barry to be a gunner, and made Ross to be a swordsman. Well, I don't know why I made Ross a swordsman. And there goes Ross. God damn it, Ross. So, anyways, I'm working on Susie, but still gotta figure out what I want to classify her as. Think about gunner, mostly because I don't make a lot of gunners, and I don't really make me's in general, actually. But yeah, no, while we're watching this, it's been a little bit since I've done a video, so forgive me about that. Because that's one thing I have a bad habit of, is not really getting. I don't have the schedule for making videos. I should probably get one. Damn, the only one that's actually lost its stock in. God damn it, Ross. He lost another stock. Oh, wait. Oh, Aren got it. And he fucked it up. Ross has 1 stock, Barry has 2, and Aren and Danny are winning right now. So Team Game Grumps is winning. God damn it, Ross. Okay. Now it's kind of evening out. I'm kidding, it's not. Ross is losing. Bad time for Steam Train. I want to make some more YouTubers on here. Have them fight to the death. Mostly, I want to have Matt Pat from Game Theory on here, but I can't seem to find any me's out there for him, so I haven't even attempted to make one because I'm not very creative or imaginative. So, have you guys been watching the Steam Train Five Nights at Freddy's 2? It's pretty interesting. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, damn it. Oh, wait. They're even now. I didn't even know Danny lost stock. I'ma haunt you. This is Ninja Sex Buddy. I'm done with that. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Barry's down to the last stock. I guess Aren's kind of in the lead right now. Well, the winners of this is gonna fight. Let's have we go against Cloud and Tifa from Final Fantasy VII. Sounds great. And they're down to the last stocks. Barry could win this if he's lucky. He can get that Smash Ball. And nope, Aren has it. Yeah, and Gangrams wins. You can tell by that final Smash, bro. Alright. Look at that smug Jew face. And Aren's sad face. Alright. Now you'll go against Cloud and Tifa. This one will be a great fight. Amazing, isn't it? So we're gonna go ahead and do a different location. And boxing ring sounds all right for me. Need to get back onto my Mega Man 03 playthrough. I might do that tomorrow. I like the music for this. Right here, it's just so good. Let's see if FF7 can beat Game Grumps. Actually, I want to see Game Grumps play Final Fantasy VII. Actually, never mind. That'll take too long. Or maybe Steam Train, because, you know, they have it on Steam. This is interesting. Oh wait, I have a better idea what Game Grumps should play. One night... Oh no, I forgot what it's called. It was something like one night, two insane dudes. Two insane... What? I don't remember. Oh shit. Game Grumps is losing to Final Fantasy VII. Cloud just got his ass kicked. And Tifa, you can make it? Nah, you're not gonna let it die. Now they're even out, sort of ish. I base most of these guys' moves off basically the show after Game Grumps and Final Fantasy VII. Best of my ability. Cloud. And nope, he's still alive. So I'm trying to come up with some more ideas for something to play. Lately, I've been playing some Final Fantasy VII, and that's pretty much about mostly why I haven't really done more recent video. School work and also, well, I've been playing Final Fantasy VII. That's not very long. And there goes Aren. Danny, you're fucked. I'm sorry, man. As much as I love you, you're not gonna make it. Let's just make it out of there somehow. And come on, you can do it. Who the hell am I kidding? Come on, yeah. Come on, just to get one more kill, man. Get one more kill. Cloud or Tifa. Mostly go for Tifa, cause well, she's low. She's low. No, you can make it. Danny, no. God damn it. Winner is Final Fantasy VII, Cloud and Tifa. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know what? Next time, if you guys want me to, I'll play online. No, actually, I'm going to do that anyways. I'm going to go ahead and play online next time with some other players and see what I can get. I'll probably do that at Wednesday, maybe? I don't know. We'll find out. Or I'll forget about it or something like that. But if you guys enjoy... But if you guys have any suggestions of games I should play or anything I should talk about, let me know, because I get really bored of this. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. This is Omega Gaming, and I'm out. You cock. Oh.